Hi everyone, welcome to Tech Tip Tuesday. I'm going to show you how to organize your Google Drive today using color coding and emojis. So let's start with color coding. All you need to do is right click on the folder and click change color. And then you'll be prompted to choose whatever color you want. So I'm going to go with green for banking for money. And it's the same no matter what folder you're on. Okay, so now to get an emoji, you're going to use an external website. So the website I chose to use today is getemoji.com. I like it because you're able to do a search for any emoji, and I find there's a pretty good library of emojis. So I don't feel like looking through it, so I'm going to just do a search. So I'm going to type in money for banking, right? And then you look for a little emoji that's appropriate for what you want. So I'm going to keep scrolling down until I see something like a dollar sign. And there you go, heavy dollar sign. So I'm going to click on it. And then there's two ways that I could copy and paste it. I could actually select the emoji and right click copy or Control C, or I could just press here and go copy. Now I'm going to go back into my Google Drive, right click on the folder and go to rename. Now all I need to do is paste the emoji wherever I want it to go. So I'm going to post it in front of my word now, and I just press OK. Now I find this really cool that you can actually add emojis into pretty much anything. It works in Google Docs, Google Classroom. We'll take a look. Even probably Google Slides. I haven't tried it there yet, but all I did was go into the title of the document, and I went through the exact same process. I copied and pasted the emoticon, and it works there. Let's say I want to do it in Google Classroom. Let's say I want done, right? So let's say I want to say that it is your assignments are completed. So I'm going to do, let's say check mark. There you go. Ooh, I like that one with the box. So you can see there's a variety of ones you can pick from. I'm going to copy, and all I need to do is go and edit the name of it. So I'm just going to go to rename, and then I can paste, and I can even paste multiple ones if I want to. And that's it. I just press rename and done. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions at all. techtutoringwithlisa@gmail.com. Bye.